What's up, guys? This is Kia guy. Today, one of my coolant hoses broke. As you can see the smoke coming out. So what happened was I was driving, and then all of a sudden I saw like a lot of smoke coming out, and so I pulled over and opened the hood. Saw a lot of smoke. So what I did was, of course, I turned off the car and everything. I was on the highway, and I waited until the engine cooled down. So after it kind of like cooled down, I was searching for hoses. There's one main hose underneath here, and I saw a lot of coolant like everywhere. I tried to clean it with my rag, and then finally when it kind of like cooled down, and I cleaned it a little bit, so I turned on the car, I put a little bit more water, and I noticed it was coming from here, the heater hose. This one is like broken. So I call many people. Of course, I'm a man of faith, so I pray first, pray to God, and then I call my mom, and she was able to help me, and she took me to her house, see my dad had any tools in there. So I found those locking pliers, as you can see there. This is a trick. It worked for 16 miles. So I've been driving around 14 to 16 miles with this clamp in there. This is a locking plier. So I pressed both hoses together because I only had one plier right there. You see how both are squeezed? So the water goes in and comes out for the heater. So I cancel the heater core, so it can make me drive to work and maybe fix it here. I hope we have the part in stock. And you know, guys, this is a little trick. In case you're stranded, one of those hoses they break, you can do that kind of like a bypass. It's not a bypass, but it kind of is. So you squeeze those hoses, put your coolant or water as an emergency, and boom, you'll be able to drive it if that's a problem. All right, guys, I hope this helped you, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe.